Here at DBS, we have a vision that every family lives in a healthy, safe, and comfortable home.
So the biggest thing is first figuring out key outcomes, what the customer ultimately wants out of us being out there. Some of the biggest issues that the customer wanted fixed was the floors were settling about 4 to 5 inches. The perimeter of the cabin, the foundation, was settling and sinking. After conducting our get thorough inspection, the solution we proposed was installing a new main beam on the floors that would permanently stabilize our floors, and we could actually lift them back up and eventually get them back to level. The other solution was installing helical piers around the perimeter of the cabin, and then also on our main beam holding the floors up as well.
The next step is it goes to the permits and engineering team. They get a specific torque reading that is going to be sufficient enough to support the weight of the structure.
The piers that we install have a true helix shape, so the blade follows itself into the ground, which means we're not turning up the soil as we drive the piers, giving it more to pull against to give a permanent foundation solution. The piers we install are fully hot dip galvanized, so they're going to last forever without deteriorating from rust and erosion.
And those were installed down to 12 feet and permanently stabilize the foundation, so our customer will not have to worry about any future settlement, and the cabin is now permanently stabilized.
And the cabin is going to have a totally different feel. It's going to almost feel like it has a slab on grade foundation because it's so stable. Our warranties on a project like this will be 75 years, fully transferable. If the customer should ever decide to sell, that warranty is going to stay right with the cabin.
So every solution we do might be designed a little bit different, although we'll use the same exact products. It'll be a permanent solution, and it's a guaranteed fix. DBS stands behind all the work we do.
If your home or cabin is experiencing foundation issues, reach out to us today and schedule a free, no obligation estimate with one of our design specialists to talk about what we can do to help.